Have you ever seen a health checkup for an excavator? Today, we're going to perform major health checkups on these excavators. Let's have the students do it themselves. In this way, they can learn about maintenance and repair. First of all, let's change the engine oil. Find the screws of the oil pan under the engine, apply some force to loosen them. When loosened, the oil will smoothly pour out. This oil has been used for a long time, we need to replace it. Wait until all of it has drained out. Then let's fasten the screws again. Get ready for the next step of the operation. Find a wrench like this one. Take off its oil filter and also take off its diesel filter after taking all of them off. Then we find new ones to replace them. We need to replace the oil filter as well. After everything is installed, we'll start adding oil. We will add just enough, almost full. Take this ruler out. See, there are markings on it. There are two levers. The oil should be in the middle of the two levers.